Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Otto, and on this channel I share videos on food, business. I also share videos on cakes. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be showing you the current prices of things in Nigeria. Okay, so if you are currently in Asaba, I got some of these things from Obogonogo Market. And how are you guys holding up this period? A lot of things I noticed have increased in prices, the cost of transportation, fuel and all that. So I decided to show you like the prices of things currently in the market. I noticed the previous video I did on markets and the prices of things really did well and people really loved it. I decided to show you the current prices of things in the market. So let me know in the comment section how you are holding up with the increase in prices. One of the ways you can cushion the effects of the increase in prices is by buying things in bulk if you can, because by the time you get to the market, every new day it's like prices are increasing every day. The people that are selling, they are complaining about a lot of things. So if you can save up, if you can, you can buy things in bulk. It can also help to cushion the effect of the current increase in prices of things. Another thing that can also help to cushion or help you manage the increase in prices is to avoid waste as much as possible. Avoid waste of these food items, right? Because if you keep wasting, you find out that you still have to go to market and you still have to buy these things at the high price. We are hopeful that things will get better soon. For those that are running food businesses, you have to recalculate your food costs, right? Know the actual price of the things or the food items you are using in producing your products or in producing the items you sell. For instance, if you run a cake business, if you run a restaurant, as the prices of things are increasing, you have to find a way to factor in these prices. Of course, the prices of your products or your food products most likely will increase as the cost of things increase. But the most important thing is that you're calculating your food costs to make sure that you are making adequate profit. I noticed that the price of carrots and fresh tomatoes is on the high side. What are the current prices of things in your location? Please let me know in the comment section. How are you also coping with the current increase in the prices of things? Did you find the tips I just shared helpful? Let me know in the comment section also.